Here's what happens when cops pull over a driverless cruise vehicle. I heard about this. Apparently, it fled the scene. I love the idea that stop. What are they?
Whoa.
What are they gonna do?
Nothing they can do.
What are they gonna do? Who are they threatening? Who are they charging? Did they just? How long does it take before they start firing at the tires? This is one of those.
Like a taxi thing?
No, it looks like a testing vehicle still.
Yeah, I think the company's called Cruise.
Yeah.
They work for GM, I believe.
Right. And they're just out there driving around town doing their testing.
Testing the car, testing maps, pot sticker for some reason on the side of the car.
Police pulled over this cruise vehicle for not having its headlights on. After stopping the Chevy Bolt turned cruise vehicle, a police officer goes up to its window, tries to unsuccessfully open the door, and starts walking back to his cruiser. The autonomous vehicle begins to drive away in what at first seems like the perfect start to a police chase, autonomous police chase. Oh, man.
That's crazy. Imagine
I don't even know what you do. Like, I think you just leave it alone.
Yeah,
What's the point? You got the plate.
hands.
You got the plate. You got everything you need. You're only going to make more of a mess. You start chasing it. Is there a video clip?
Yes, there is.
Okay, let's check it out.
Oh, there. Okay.
Headlights on. I guess it's nighttime. Wow.
Ain't nobody in it.
Ain't nobody in it.
This is crazy.
He's like, what the?
Oh.
Can't get in. As soon as he turns his back, it's like they knew.
Well, to be fair,
Yeah.
this getaway car is actually trying to find a safe place to park.
Yeah. No, I
So
figured
it speeds away really quickly, but then it parks.
I figured that was what was going on.
Right. So it doesn't have its headlights on? Isn't most of that like automated?
Yeah, you would think that remotely they could put the headlights on.
Well, no, even in some
Unless
cars.
they might be malfunctioning.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I don't know. But it's got to be an awkward experience for these police officers for sure.
Yeah, they're just inspecting it right now.
Well, now they need to figure out a solution to this issue. Right.
They call in on the radio,
Yeah.
right? They have
So
to
like,
let them
what
know.
do we
They
do?
pulled
What's
over
the
a
new
car.
protocol for this?
For the company Cruise, they actually have a contact number within the car somewhere. So yes, the cops did eventually contact and got it solved
Yeah, of course.
and gave the car a ticket. No, I'm just joking.
But in the moment,
Did the company get a ticket?
I don't think so. I think this is just like standard protocol.
so in the moment though, the
just
car
confused cops.
car is just being remotely controlled, I suppose, to pull over, right? It's not making
yeah.
the decision on its own.
No.
It's definitely monitored.
But I presume in the future,
No, it might be making the
no,
decision.
Mo, you better Mo. Don't get. I know you ran an Ethernet cable today, right? 250, 300 feet.
No, but can't it just pick up the lights and know that it's being pulled over?
I think that in the future that'd be amazing.
Okay, but this might be a myth, but I heard when I was younger that if a ambulance is driving up to an intersection, they have these little boxes that can see the lights and then they make it go green automatically.
Will, you want to weigh in on that?
I believe it. I think it's called computer vision. Like that kind of technology.
You feel comfortable because you said the word computer and vision together?
Yep, I love that.
I don't know how the ambulance thing works. Somebody's going to update us in chat. There is a way in which they can change the light to green.
Yeah.
But I'm not certain if it's the flashing lights themselves or if there's some other method.
Yeah, like the ambulance has like a...
I
Or
don't
they
know.
call somebody and they
I don't
say,
know.
make it green.
I don't know. Somebody's going to let us know in the chat, someone who's very well versed in this topic. But no, of course, eventually what you would hope is that it could interpret, but then, well, if you got some type of hijackers, all they need is flashing lights and your autonomous vehicle just opens itself right up.
Good point. And I guess the point of these is that this shouldn't be happening.
Well, and even in this case, it's not, ambulances have a remote. That's what I figured. Infrared remote. They can just point up like a
Okay.
remote control for
Right.
a TV. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, the thing had its lights off. It's not like it was driving recklessly. Normally, that'd just be a warning for somebody anyway.
Yeah.
So it's not like it really broke tremendous number of laws here or anything like that. And look at it drive off. I love the
I
pace.
think the timing of it is just
It was
perfect.
great. It was great. If it had kept going, man, we got ourselves a beautiful clip. Keeps going. Public buses also have this system in Belgium when approaching traffic lights. They turn green for them.
Oh yeah.
Well, that's what Vincent just said that in the chat.
Oh okay.
So